Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how to create and customize a website on Ecwid for digital products and services business, easy and quick. So as we know, Ecwid is a tool that helps people make online stores. It's like a special computer program that lets you sell things on the internet. It's easy to use and can be added to websites or social media pages. So if you wanna sell things online, Ecwid can help you do it without too much trouble. So the first thing here you have to do, you have to start for free, so you can get started free. So let's get started. Now it will take you to the dashboard. Okay, so as you see here, this is the dashboard, and here we're gonna design or set up your storefront and the website. So set up your website and storefront. So click here, and it will take you to the editor page. So the first thing here, go to the settings and go to the templates and select the topic you want to use. So for example, for the digital products and services business, you can choose this topic of the services here, and you can choose one of these templates here. So for example, um, okay, I'm gonna choose this one here. So you can choose a random one if you don't find the topic. Okay, so go to the header and the menu. So here you have to change everything here. So go to the site logo and change your business name. After this, you can manage here the navigation menu, and here you have to add the contact information and the social profiles. Also you have to add the tagline. So that's it. So in the design of any section, you have to try your best to make your site look attractive so anyone can visit your site and attract to your business. So make sure don't forget the simple details like the font and like the size, and like also you can add the frame outline. That's it. Now let's move on to the cover and the headline. So here you have to add the tagline and the title. So in the title you can add just simple or just your company name, and in the description you can, for example, introduce your brand to your customers. Welcome, for example, welcome to our sites for digital products and services. Okay, just a simple description like this. And the design, choose your favorite design. Okay, now let's go back. Let's move on now to the store section. So here you have to create your product. So to do that, go back to the dashboard and click here, add your products or services. Now it will take you to this place here. Now click on new products. Okay, as you see here, you have to add the product gallery. So take a picture of your product and add it here, and also add the name of your products, the ref, the weight in kilogram. Also you can customize here the prices options, and don't forget the description of your product. So after this, save this place here and go back to the editor and complete here the design of the background and the title and the product name, the product image, and the product price. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next section, about section. So as you see here, you have to change the description. So here you can use this space to talk about your business and your product, and why should your customers buy from you or use your services, something about your company or your business. Okay, that's it. And the design, also choose your favorite layout. So just make sure don't forget the simple details. Now let's move on to the next section. Nothing special here. Also here you have to change the description and the title, and also you have to change, so choose your favorite layout. Okay, now uh, if you want to change the image, you can change it from your library, or just go to the browser and search on for example, digital digital products and services, and go now to the image, and for example search on some image here. um, okay, for example I'm gonna choose this one. So that's it. Now let's go back, let's move on now to the next section. So nothing special here, the same thing as normal. You have to change this image just like this one, and also the description you have to change it. Talk about your products or your company quality products. Now let's move on to the image of the, this website here. So the first thing here, you have to add the tagline, the title and the description. So nothing special here, and you have to change the image. Just for example, just a random image, okay, like this one. Okay, now after this, go to the design and choose your favorite one, your favorite layout. So nothing special here, the same thing as normal. Now let's move on to the contact section. So the first thing here, you have to change the description and the title. Of course here you have to add the address, your business address. You can also enter the exact postal address or the plus code. Also add the daily hours. Okay, after this enter the contact information and the social profiles. Also the design, choose your favorite one. So I rather to choose this one here of the map in the background. Okay, like this one here. So that's it. The last section here, the footer section. So you have to enter here your company name for the copyright. Okay, so if you want to add something new, you can just click here add the section. You can select what kind of sections you want to add on your home page. So after this, if you're done from here, you can just click here publish your website. So as you see here, your website now is published. Now you can start selling and start your business. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.